Covering over 5,000 square meter medical level dust-free workshop, INNSEED Technological Limited is a professional large-scale CBD vape device manufacturer. Integrating R&D, production, sales, and service. INNSEED passed GMP, ISO 9001 and ISO 14001. It has obtained more than 100 local and international patents on CBD vape device designs. These patents cover the structure, materials, appearance, and package designs. We have special attention on R&D, equipped with advanced electronic equipment, backed by experienced technical support and professional high-quality managers. More than 9% of our annual income is reinvested into the research and development of products. We focus on global CBD oil supply chain service. Our products exhibit the unrivaled workmanship and reliability that has earned the loyalty of our customers. INNSEED is equipped with the strictest hygienic and safety standard dust-free workshop, medical-grade and lead-free manufacturing process, producing the cleanest products on the planet. Our principle drives us to strive for product quality in each and every component. From the SQA incoming inspection to the final OQC shipment verification process, follow the TQM quality management system, which build in accordances to the medical quality management standards to ensure the quality of our products. We have been helping our customers build up their brands and company images in their respective markets with our high-standard products. Our products are exported to North America, Europe, and others, and are highly recognized and loved by customers, enjoying a good reputation in the market. The mission of INNSEED is to transfer value among staff, customers, partners, and society. Everyone can achieve more and happier. We are committed to becoming a standard of industry excellence and providing our customers with high-quality service.